Hello and welcome to another walk around review with us here at Subaru of Saskatoon. Today we are looking at Consumer Reports' most recommended model, the brand new 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. This is a Crosstrek Onyx in magnetite gray that sits on 18-inch wheels and has seating for 5. For the lighting, there are LED steering responsive headlights and LED fog lights, and comes with Subaru's award-winning EyeSight Driver Assist, which includes pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and lane keep. Under the hood of the Crosstrek Onyx is a 2.5-liter engine that produces 182 horsepower, paired with a CVT and Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive that keeps you safe in any condition Mother Nature throws at you. The front doors and tailgate have proximity key access, and taking a look at the driver's side door panel are the mirror, lock, and window controls. The seating includes gray cloth with yellow inserts and a 10-way power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. The left side of the steering wheel includes the radio and Bluetooth controls and the cruise control features on the right. Moving over to the center dash is an 11.6-inch infotainment screen that displays the backup camera. It's also got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Located on the bottom of the touchscreen are the climate controls. And moving further down is a wireless phone charger, and down by the gear shifter are the heated seat controls. In the rear of the Crosstrek are USB-A and USB-C charging ports, 60/40 split folding seats, and an armrest with cup holders. And a quick look in the trunk shows that it provides a spare tire with tools and a good amount of cargo space. Thanks again for watching another review with us at Subaru of Saskatoon. Stop by or give us a call and set up a test drive with our sales team.